Visually inspect the roof to assess the quality of the roof coating. If there are signs of the coating flaking, blistering or delaminating, grind the coating off in areas with a flapper disc or non-woven preparation wheel where the flexible solar panels will be bonded. Mark out where the flexible solar panel will be bonded. Insert Crestabond cartridge into dispensing gun. Dispense a small amount of adhesive to level the plungers and remove any air from the cartridge. Attach static mixer to cartridge and dispense a small amount of adhesive onto scrap material to ensure proper mix ratio and all air has been removed. Apply Crestabond to the marked bond area on the roof. Starting at one end, place the flexible solar panel onto the roof. Apply hand pressure to consolidate the fixing of the solar panel to the roof. Use Tek screws to install a convex anodized aluminium cover strip between the flexible solar panels in the ridges where the original roof stitching screws were located. This will cover the edges of the solar panels and stitch the roof panels together. Refer to the Crestabond technical datasheet for relevant working and fixture times.